Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Primavera P6 latest version 2016. First of all, you have to go on this website and sign in with your email and password and then search Primavera P6 here. Then after that, you have to click on search button. So in the bottom, you have to select this one and click on it, and it is added to your queue. And then click on this continue, and then click again on continue to download the files. Agree to the terms and conditions like this, and then continue, and then click on download. So it will download the mini installer, and in this mini installer you can click on this, and this will open the main download folder, main download file. So it's now downloading the original files, and these are files that will be downloaded. Click on the first folder, double click and click on this setup file. It will open, and it's written that you are replacing the existing one. Existing one was 24 and this is 25 one, the latest Primavera P6 version. So click on this OK. It's a very short method that I am trying to record. Then click on the here next. It will load your old profile into this new software. Then click on OK and save. Then open the Primavera P6 from the start menu. Enter your old login and password like admin or admin. After that, the old data is updated into this new version of software. Now it will open. Yes, this is opening. And that's it. This is our latest software that is downloaded from official website. Thanks.